Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we are going to talk about what is going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum. And first of all guys, congrats if you took the trade that I announced in the last video. I will put a screenshot here from the last video because I exactly said that if we break this pennant here, we should enter a long trade and this will be the price target, okay? I will put the screenshot here and check it out. And if you also want to trade, check the links in the description. You will always get the highest available bonuses if you use my links, okay? So, and as you can see here, let me show you guys. Let's zoom in. We broke out here. So this is the point to enter a long trade because this is a confirmed breakout. And the price target of this pennant is actually $28,000, okay? As you can see here, we went up to almost $27,000. Now we got a small rejection here because this is a resistance line. And as you can also see, we are now trading around this previous support line, which now is resistance because we are a little bit below it, okay? So always guys, congrats if you took this trade with me. I will also show you my trades over here. You can see in a profit of 467%, 467% and 93%. Very good trades, I would say. Nice profit. So it's always okay guys if you take profit, okay? If we reach some resistance line, it's always good to take a little bit of profit because you will never regret that you took some profit and you keep, for example, let's say 60-70% running or 50% running and you took some profits, because whatever kind of profit you take, you have it, okay? No one can take it. So as of right now, let me show you what's going on here. You can see we have this support line at 25.7k, and yeah, if you took some profit, okay, it's good to keep the trade running because we look very bullish. Let me also show for Ethereum, because as you saw before, I also have a Ethereum long trade, some nice profit. We had this support line that has been going on for a long time, and as of right now we touched this resistance line at $1,763, and right now this acts as support, so that means we could bounce up again. But as always guys, never wrong to take, it's never wrong to take some profits. And Bitcoin is really pumping today. It's really pumping today, as you can see here. Let me show you from the breakout until now. We have about 7%, let's say about 7% profit. With a 100k position, you have $7,000 in profit right now, which is pretty good, I would say. So guys, that's what it looks like right now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.